Alright guys, next day, next adventure. We are leaving this small town here where we slept last night. We are going towards the next destination, which is a lake. I'm not going to reveal what kind of lake it is. It is an amazing lake. It is a rainy weather, beautiful weather. We are among the mountains, grasslands and beautiful scenery. So yeah, let's get our journey started and I'll see you guys later. Guys, we are on our way to see that lake. We are on a service area here in Mongolia. It is clean, all services are here. They have electric stations here to charge your car. They have petrol stations, supermarket and everything. We just freshed up and my parents are going there because there are sunflower field over there. They want to take a picture there, and after that we're gonna be on our way. Yeah, but look at it. I feel like we are really near to the sky. I mean, I can just catch it. Alright guys, we are almost at the lake, so I wanted to share this with you guys that these grasslands of course belong to the local people. So some of them have made these tourist spots here, so you can of course get a horse ride here, or you can ride those four-wheel vehicles. So yeah, so it's good tourist place. You can have an experience in the grassland, take some pictures, and yeah, that's good. Alright guys, let's go see the lake. Alright guys, we are at the lake. This is the entrance to the lake. So where are we?
We are at New Nai Lake. New Nai का उर्दू में तर्जुमा है मिल्क, दूध. इसका पानी दूध जैसा सफेद है, इसलिए इसको न्यू नाई लेक कहते हैं चाइनीज में.
Alright, he has just said it in Urdu. New Nai in Chinese means milk. The color of the water of this lake is milky water. It's amazing. We're gonna see that. That's why it's called Milk Lake. New Nai. Who is lake? Let's go get it, guys. Oh, a lot of people are here. A lot of them.
So, gentlemen, you scan from here and you get your tickets. No need to be in the queue. No need to go to any window. Just scan and go.
Yes. Easy way to buy tickets, guys. Easy way. Guys, we are in the bus and we are gonna sit in the bus because you can't drive your car to the lake. It's a natural park, so you have to go through the bus. So we are here. Let's go see the lake. It's getting a little late. Hope we can make it there before it gets dark. Guys, here we are going through a Mongolian village. It is just magical, guys. This is not just there for aesthetics. You can go and visit this village and see how people are living there. It is open to the tourists, but real people are living in these Mongolian traditional houses. So it is a great place to visit. We unfortunately was running out of time, so we didn't have a time to see this village, but we passed through it and it was magical. Alright guys, we have arrived. We just came out of the bus and now we are on our way towards the lake, and my father is now a cowboy because he just bought a cowboy hat here and he likes it. Let's go get the lake. Look at the size of this lake, guys. Look at the size. And it's all white. It doesn't look white from here. We're gonna go see. Some patches of it look white. So let's see what it's all about. Amazing. And it is in the middle of nowhere. Look, there is no population around here. Only grasslands and cattle grazing in the grasslands. And then this is the lake. Let's go see what it's all about. I'm hungry. I want to buy something to eat. I'm not sure if I can find something halal. I hope I can. And if I could, I would really eat it. Because I'm really hungry. Alright guys, here we are at the lake and it is literally white, guys. I don't know if camera is doing justice, but this is white. I've never seen white colored lake. I've seen blue, I've seen green, I've seen even red colored lake, but I've never seen white. Amazing. Mother Nature is amazing. God Almighty is great. Amazing, guys. Take a look around. It's a valley. Vast grasslands, a little bit hills, small mountains, and then in the middle of that there is this lake and it's white. What? I don't know. I don't have words. It is crazy. Of course we have to say Subhanallah. Subhanallah.
this color of a lake with water. And also they have arranged the cow milk there. They are selling it and cooling it with the help of this lake water. People are getting the fresh 100% pure cow milk from there. It's amazing to see this kind of color.
Alright guys, that is the end of this vlog here at the Milk Lake. It was fun. It was my first time and I was with my parents and I got this chance to see this beautiful place with them. I'm really happy. It was a nice place to visit. If you guys have a chance again, I would recommend coming here at least once in your life. Beautiful vast grasslands, as I said, mountains, pleasant weather, how fresh it is. It smells good, everything is clean, the skies are blue, it is just amazing, and in the middle of that we have this amazing lake. So if you guys have a chance to come to visit this place, do come. Now traveling and visiting in China for tourists, it's easier than before. So yeah, you guys can definitely check this out. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye from Mongolia. Bye bye from the Milk Lake. Bye bye. See you guys in the next vlog.